Hello, I'm going to go over this website that's for one of my labs here. This is the fetcolorado.edu website on reactants, products, and leftovers of balanced chemical reactions. Consider the following example. If you have 5 slices of bread and 5 slices of cheese, how many sandwiches can be made? And what this simulation does, this kind of shows you the answer of sandwiches with bread and what's left over. And how this simulation is useful is when you're talking about things that are not as familiar, such as chemical reactions. These things help you visualize the scale right here. I want to note about these 2 boxes right here. One's a before and one's an after right here. So you could imagine these as just being difference in time. So after the sandwiches have been assembled, this is what's on your kitchen counter here. This is a combination of hydrogen, oxygen gas to produce water, and we already have the balanced chemical reaction up here. And talking about what is an excess and what is a limiting reactant with respect to reality. So looking at our balanced chemical equation right here, we have a 2-to-1 ratio of bread to cheese, so to speak. And that would make 2 waters. So if I have that 2-to-1 ratio, that cleanly makes 2 waters with no leftovers in the reaction vessel. So again, this is a reaction vessel. Alakazam, the reaction happens, electrons are exchanged, new bonds are made, and 2 water molecules are what's left in there. There are no leftovers. Consider when we have a 1-to-1 ratio in reality. Okay? The way that this simulation sets up here is we can see that whatever is left over must be in excess. So for this example, we have an excess amount of oxygen gas because we have an unreacted amount of oxygen gas. Let's make this 5-to-5, like our bread to cheese example. So our 5, so we have an equal amount of both right here. All right. We have potentially 4 water molecules being made. And look what we have over here in leftovers. So we can talk about what is the excess, what is the limiting reactant, what we have an excess amount of or more of, and what is we have less of or what is limiting our production of water, this H2 right here. Now I want to note that to create 1 water molecule, you only need 2 hydrogens. So why does this hydrogen gas not just take 1 of these oxygen atoms and create another water molecule? Because there isn't a sufficient amount of electrons and energy. We need enough hydrogens to create a water molecule out of both of these oxygen atoms. I hope this helps. Thank you.